If you own a 2020 or newer Polaris Slingshot, then you may have noticed that the factory Oil Dipstick handle sits a little low, making it a bit of a cumbersome process to access when checking your oil level. So we've partnered up with the team over at Showchrome to bring you guys an elongated replacement handle that's 2 inches longer than the factory handle. It's made of aluminum and anodized red to add a pop of color to your engine bay, and includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Before you begin, ensure that your ignition is off, your parking brake is engaged, and that you've allowed adequate time for your engine to cool. Next, release your hood latch and open the hood. Remove the factory dipstick and use a clean rag to wipe off any excess oil. Next, we'll need to remove the factory spring pin that attaches the handle to the dipstick. You can use a punch tool or even an Allen wrench as long as it's thin enough to push the pin completely through the other side of the handle. Once the pin is out, slide off the handle. We will not be reusing the factory spring pin as a new one is included with the kit. Grab the new handle and slide on the 2 rubber O-rings, one at a time, making sure that they're seated into the grooves on the handle. Insert the factory dipstick into the new handle, ensuring that the hole in the dipstick is visible through the hole in the handle to ensure proper alignment. Install the new spring pin, making sure that it goes all the way through both the dipstick and the handle. Then pull firmly to ensure that they are connected with one another. Lastly, you can reinstall the dipstick into place. That's all there is to it, folks. Now, if a more accessible and stylish dipstick handle is on your mod list, then head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike, and feel free to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.